guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you that I got a new Rubik's Cube, a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And this is the first tiled Rubik's Cube. You can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So I got this like yesterday, and this has magnetic features like over here, and it's adjustable too. But sadly they didn't give us any accessories to turn the pieces. We have magnets right here, here. The best way to show it is like this. There's magnets here. And there's magnets here. And there's magnets on every corners and edge pieces. But not on all of the edge pieces. Yeah, there's not on all of the edge pieces. Wait, there are. Yeah, on every edge piece. It's not that clear to see. And I'm going to be showing you how fast this is. And it's also very smooth. I'll show you the feature right here where you can adjust it to make it faster or slower. You have to use hand to do this because they didn't give us accessories to just turn them. Like, you have to use your hand to rotate them. It's very hard to do it. Okay, we're back. And it says it right here, Rubik's Speed. And I'm going to be doing a quick solve. And I'm not going to have a timer because... Okay, I'll see you when it's scrambled. And I got it scrambled now. And we're going to start it. Wait, let me just see it. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah. I set up a timer so I can actually look at it. I actually didn't set up a timer. I'm just going to guess it. I can't do it blindfolded yet because I don't want to do it anyways though. And if I want to do this and blindfolded, I would have to erase the logo at the back. I mean at the white. I learned some new tricks. Now I can do this. I'm on PLO. And solved. I solved it in 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. I just saw something right here. I somehow set up the timer on the phone. Okay. And I'm going to show you more things about this. If you look into here, you can see arrows. But there was no adjusting, so you couldn't do it. And 1 second, I'll show you the other cube that I have. And I got this cube. If you do this, look. This also auto adjusts a little bit. So this is sometimes more useful. And I'm used to this now that I do on that, now it's very hard to do the speed that I already do on this. But still, I'm gonna start in 3. Wait. Guys, this camera just overheated for a second. And we're back. And I'm gonna start it in 3. Wait, I forgot to start. I forgot to say 3, 2, 1, start. But I already started. I pressed play. I pressed record on 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Look at that. What am I even doing right now? It already has been 28 seconds. I'm trying to solve this. Hopefully this doesn't break, but I still don't know how to fix this. I think I posted a video on how to fix it. Maybe. If I haven't, I'll post a video like into maybe on the same day. It already has been 1 minute. I think so. Yeah, that's been 1 minute. Yeah, it exactly has been 1 minute. What am I even thinking about right now? 1 minute, 30 seconds. I better speed up. I messed up. Now what do I do? Well, I had to restart it again. Bruh, 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 bruh. I am. And I'm on a level now. It has been 2 minutes. It has been 2 minutes and 34 seconds. That's how fast it is. It's very fast. And this is the fastest cube I ever have used. That wasn't supposed to be in the video. Okay. And almost that's about it. And it's very smooth to tell you about. It's like a GameCube, but it doesn't have accessories and a little bit. It's more magnetic. Like if you do this and try to lift it up, it doesn't work. You have to do like this and lift it up, so it goes like that. But on the GameCube, if you just put it like this, it automatically comes back. You don't even have to touch it. Or like this, it automatically comes back. So it's like, I would rate this cube as about 4.5 star. No, not 4. 3.5 stars out of 5 stars. I'll say actually 4.4. And bye guys. And maybe I'll post the same I'll check and I'll maybe post a video to how to fix a Rubik's Cube. But I'm not going to do it on this one. Peace. I also forgot to tell about something, that I'm going to make a promo on a song that I'm going to be dancing. It's probably going to come out in the new year. Stay tuned for it.